Hey guys, LG launched its first Android smartphone in 2009. And its first Android tablet in 2011. The company is known for its flagship G series of smartphones and a wide range of products including smart TVs. After Samsung's recent unveiling of 4 new smartphones S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra and Z Flip, it's now LG's turn with the new V60 ThinQ. It'll land in the coming weeks at AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile and Verizon. And will cost less than the $999.99 Galaxy S20. The V60 ThinQ is a high-performance device and features 5G support. With the LG V60 ThinQ 5G dual screen, you have the option of using one screen or two. Seamlessly pair a second 6.8 inches OLED display with your phone, and unleash an entertainment powerhouse that transforms work into play. If you're seeing this channel for first time and like to see similar reviews in future, then hit that subscribe button right now. LG was an early 5G adopter in 2019 with the V50 ThinQ. And it's now delivered a sequel in the V60 ThinQ. And there are quite a few upgrades and tweaks here. The obvious improvements include a Snapdragon 865 processor, a 5,000 mAh battery, compared to the V50's 4,000 mAh cell, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The LG V60 ThinQ is the latest flagship offering from the Korean manufacturer. This phone is both powerful and one of the best-looking devices currently on the market. It's without a doubt the best LG phone you can currently buy. The LG V60 is a 5G phone with all of the specs you'd expect from a flagship. The LG V60 is perhaps the best V-series phone to reach the market in years. This huge phone has unbeatable battery life, a refreshed design, a flexible camera arrangement, and a headphone jack. Despite these strengths, competing phones bested in camera quality, display quality, and software experience. The LG Velvet follows suit of prior LG phones with a LG Velvet compatible case that offers a second screen. It's also IP68 certified, which follows the trend of most top-tier phones on the market. Powering the phone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC and 8GB of RAM. There's also 128GB of onboard storage and a microSD card slot. As part of a larger strategy to improve our mobile business and to raise our competitive edge in an evolving industry, LG will be relocating its smartphone manufacturing operation from Pyeongtaek, South Korea to our newly expanded campus in Haiphong, Vietnam. The V60 ThinQ has dual SIM capability, which means that you can insert 2 different SIM cards and use them both from one phone. The LG V60 ThinQ 5G UW is rated IP68 and it's waterproof, using the Ingress Protection Rating System. The dust rating is 6, highest level of protection. And the water resistance rating is 8, water resistant up to 5 feet for up to 30 minutes. The device is water resistant only when the SIM/memory card tray is inserted into the device. The LG V60 covers all of the basics, including an IP68 water and dust resistance, the aforementioned headphone jack, a microSD card slot, HDMI out support, and stereo speakers. For added durability, LG V60 ThinQ 5G features drop-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the back. The LG Velvet 5G is a beautiful and capable flagship smartphone designed to feel as light in your hand as it does on your wallet. As Canada's first 5G smartphone under $1,000, users shouldn't expect the same premium gaming experience as the competition offers. LG's V60 ThinQ is currently available from Verizon, AT&T and T-Mobile, with each package deal including a dual-screen case that transforms the standard-looking smartphone into a phone with a foldable display. The V60 is $899.99 at AT&T and T-Mobile, or $949.99 on Verizon. T-Mobile customers can purchase one LG V60 with an installment plan and get a second one for free with bill credits. They can also get the device with the new dual-screen case for either $899 at full retail cost, or for $31.25 per month for 2 years after a $149.99 down payment. Wireless charging is supported, as well as Qualcomm Quick Charge 4 Plus. Wireless charging also works with the LG V60 and the dual screen cover. In our web browsing test, we see the LG V60 do outstandingly good, coming in at 14.75H runtime. This vastly exceeds the results of any LG phone we've come to test in the past, and competes amongst the longest lasting devices in the market right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.